Oke, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good afternoon, everybody.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so first of all, let us pray and praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala because of His bless and mercy. We can join this meeting, in this Zoom meeting with healthy condition. So let me introduce myself. My name is Muhtisa Shahrul as the moderator. So we are from Group 1 and we will present our material, which is business plan of Teacher Talk Institute. So, and the member of our group and the members of our groups are the first is me, Muflisa Shahrul. The second is Atia Inaya Fitra. The third is Delviana Tuka Tandirerung, Nur Hafida, and the last is Nur Nadifa. So let's continue to the material. So the first topic, which is next slide, please. So the first material, which is product name, will be delivered by Delviana Tukatandirero. Delvi, the screen is yours.
Thank you, moderator. And so I will explain my material, product name. The product name, business name is Teacher Talk Institute, nature of business, educational and professional development service for teachers, and business type, training and consulting institution, business location, Makassar, South Sulawesi, and the business form, partnership or small enterprise. Next slide, please.
We can't hear your voice.
Ya ampun, dari tadi kakak baru Ji.
Okay, you may continue.
Okay, sorry guys. Vision and mission in Teacher Talk Institute. The first is vision to become a leading teacher development institution that empowers education through digital tools, communication excellence, and continuous professionals growth. And the mission is, the first is to provide innovative and practical teacher training programs. The second is to enhance educationers' digital literacy and communication skills. The third is to develop teacher leadership and mentoring capabilities. And the last is to prepare education for international certification standard. Next slide, please. Program offering. In Teacher Talk Institute, the training program offered by Teacher Talk Institute include digital tools for teachers, public speaking for educationers, coaching and mentoring for teacher development, tools and IELTS preparation for educationers, and the last is classroom management. And the first is digital tools for teachers. This program help teacher master various digital platform and application that can be used to support modern learning. Participants will learn how to utilize technologies such as Canva, Google Workspace for education, Kahoot, and learning management system to make the teaching process more creative, interactive, and efficient. The second is public speaking for educationers. Through this training, teachers are trained to speak confidence, clearly, and genuinely in front of student and general audience. The third is coaching and mentoring for teachers' development. This program is designed to help teachers recognize their potential through reflection, guidance, and professional mentoring. And the fourth is TOEFL or IELTS preparation for educationers, design for education who wish to improve their English language skill for academic, career, career or international certification purpose. And the last is classroom management. Trains teacher to management classroom efficiently, build positive discipline, and create a conducive and enjoyable learning environment. I think that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Delphi, for your nice explanation. So the next materials will be delivered by Atia Inaya Fitra for the business ideas and SWOT analysis. Inaya, the screen is yours.
Check. Oh, check. Okay. Well, thank you so much for the opportunity they given to me. So I am Atia Inaya Sutra. We'll continue the material. So we're coming to the business idea, starting from the teacher's needs. So in the modern era of education, teachers face various challenges. So what is the challenges faced by the English teachers? The first one is many teachers find it difficult to keep up with those changes. The second one is lack confidence in public speaking. The third is don't make optimal use of digital tools. And the last one, don't have access to quality training. And this is relevant with how these ideas come. And then after facing those challenges, here we are present the Teacher Talk Institute to overcome all of the needs of the teachers through innovative program. For example, like what the previous presenters has explained before. Through the program, the teacher will master modern educational technology through the digital tools, improve communication and public speaking skills. The third one is develop professionally and personally through coaching and mentoring for teacher development. And then preparing the teacher for international certification. Next slide, please. Okay. So this is the SWOT analysis of our business. As we know that SWOT is actually acronym of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So it's really important to conduct SWOT analysis before we build some business. The first one is strength. So communicative and inspiring brand Teacher Talk Institute is memorable and relevant to the world of education. So we use talk here, so it means that the teacher will improve their communication skills. The second one, professional and experienced facilitators in ELT and teacher training. The third one is relevant and applicable training programs focus on real-world experience. Flexible blended learning approach online and offline, making it easy for teachers in various regions to participate. And the last one is professional standard training certification that can enhance teachers' portfolios and careers. So there's also weaknesses. The first one is new brand with limited market awareness. The second one is dependence on freelance trainers may affect quality consistency. The third one is limited budget for large scale promotion. And then the next is technology infrastructure requires continuous upgrades. And the last one is the training doesn't yet have an official license or accreditation. Next slide, please. And then here's the opportunities and the threats. So the opportunities, the first one is the high demand for teacher competency improvement. Because nowadays there are so many like approaches that the teachers should apply in the school. So here we are offer some program to make the teacher more ready to face the challenges. The second one, the government's policy on continuing professional development open up opportunities for collaboration with the Department of Education and school. And then high demand for TOEFL and IELTS preparation courses for teachers seeking international certification. Next, the growth of tech sector opens up opportunities to develop Teacher Talk Institute online platform as a digital product. And the last one is potential collaboration with educational institutions, universities, or international institutions. And now we're coming to the threats. The first one is competition with other teacher training institutions or large online platforms offering similar courses, especially for those of the institution that already have accreditation. The second one, changes in national education policy that may impact the need for training types, limited internet access in certain areas which can hinder online training, low teacher commitment to long-term training due to time and workload constraints, and the last one, economic fluctuations that can affect the ability of schools or individuals to afford training costs. So I think that's enough from me. I give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Naya, for the great explanation. So the next topic will present by myself. So next slide, please. Okay, so I will explain about the source of capital and marketing strategy. So the first is about source of capital. So capital sources are all forms of funds that can be used to run or develop a business originating from individuals, financial institution, or the business itself. So in developing the business of Teacher Talk Institute, the main source of capital which used comes from the personal funds and comes from the personal saving and also family support. So the total initial capital needed for developing this business, Teacher Talk Institute, is estimated at 75 million rupiahs. So as explained on the screen, there are two categories. The first is for personal saving. The estimated cost is 45 million rupiahs, and family support, the estimated cost is 30 million rupiah, and the total amount of initial capital is 75 million rupiah. Next slide, please. Okay, the next is about the marketing strategy of this business. So, a marketing strategy is a marketing logic with a business unit hopes to achieve its marketing objective and consists of specific strategies for target markets, positioning, marketing mix, and also marketing cost level. Okay, so the strategy for the marketing strategy for Teacher Talk Institute consists of target market, unique selling proposition or USP, marketing objectives, and also marketing channels and strategies. So the first is target market. So Teacher Talk Institute is for English teacher and other other educators in both formal and informal settings who want to improve their English skills and professional skills. The market segments include elementary to senior high school teachers, education students or future teachers, and also the school that needs a leader and supervisor or that need to train their teacher to be better in English. And the next is about the unique selling proposition. So the most beneficial thing about our business, Teacher Talk Institute, is that this business is focuses on helping English teacher to improve their professional skills through an integrated approach that combines pedagogy, technology, and also global communication. Some of our programs that we offer, as you can see, as our friend have explained before, there are five programs that we offer. The first is digital tools for teachers, public speaking for educators, coaching and mentoring for teacher development, so TOEIC, TOEFL or IELTS preparation for educators, and also classroom management. As for the marketing objective, so we set three main goals for marketing this business, and they are: the first is to increase brand awareness among teachers and educational institutions. The next is to attract at least 50 training participants in the first 3 months. And the third is to establish a partnership with at least 5 schools or training institution in the first year. And last but not least is the marketing channels and strategies. So we use digital marketing, partnership and collaboration, word of mouth and referral program, and also promotional strategy. So in digital marketing, we use social media such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn to by posting educational content like teaching tips, microlearning, or and video testimonials. The next is we use in digital marketing. We also use website or and SEO optimization. We can make an official website with online registration and educational blog to help people find us on Google or other website search. And also we can also use email marketing. So we could send the teacher and school regular email with programming deals, tips, and most up-to-date training schedules. For the partnership and collaboration, Teacher Talk Institute can collaborate with education office, education campuses, or English teacher communities such like MGMP, and also to hold joint training session. And besides that, we also offer special training, in-house training programs for school and institution that want to develop their teaching staff. As for the word of mouth and referral program, so if the participant successfully invite other teachers to join, we can give them discounts or referral vouchers, and ask the happy participant to make happy testimonial videos that can be shared on social media. And for promotional strategy, we can use soft launch program as the promotional event. We can offer free webinar, and also we can offer discount campaign to get people to sign up for our program, and we will give the first 30 people uh, who join our institute 20% discount. So that's my explanation about source of capital and marketing strategy. And the next is about the business budget plan, which will be explained by Nur Nadifa. Okay, Nur Nadifa, the time is yours.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, thank you for the opportunity that given to me. The next one is business budget plan. First one about business budget plan of Teacher Talks is startup budget allocation. In startup budget allocation, there is 8 category. The first one is curriculum and training material development. The cost about 10 million. Allocation for module writing, training handouts, video material production, LMS, and setup. The next one is digital equipment and software, 20 million rupiah. Allocation for 2 laptops, 16 million rupiah. Projector, 3 million rupiah. Supporting software license. Software license about 1 million rupiah. The next category is website and promotional media, about 7 million rupiah. Allocation for domain hosting, website design, promotional video, digital brochure, initial CEO setup. The next one is training venue and facility rental, about 8 million rupiah. Rental allocation for rental of seminar room for 3 months with tables, chairs, and refreshment. The next one is marketing and branding, about 10 million rupiah. allocation for logo design, flyer, social media, ads, Instagram, Facebook, and partnership event cost. The next one, the next one is operational cost. Cost about 5 million rupiahs. Allocation for internet, phone, electricity, transportation, and supplies. The last one is about human resource or trainers and administrative staff, about 10 million rupiahs. Allocation for initial payments for 3 part-time trainers and 1 admin staff. Total 75 million rupiah. The next one is monthly operational budget or projection. There is 6 category. The first one is trainer and staff for base and scheduled training activities. Office utilities for electricity, water, and high-speed internet. Marketing and promotion for continuous online promotion and school outreach. The next one is venue rental for monthly room rental for offline training. The next one is maintenance and supplies for printing, stationery, cleaning, and equipment maintenance. The last one is miscellaneous for unforeseen operational needs. And the total monthly operational cost is 14 million rupiah. And about income estimation per program, about monthly, total monthly revenue 68,750,000 rupiah, an annual projection for 12 months, estimate annual profit 100 million 57,000 rupiah. I think that's all from me. Sorry for my bad or anything else. I give it back for moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nur Nadifa, for your nice explanation. And next is about the estimated obstacles and strategies to overcome those obstacles will be delivered by Nur Hafida. Nur Hafida, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you for reporting. I will explain the Teacher Talk Institute business plan, especially the obstacle it will face and the strategy for overcoming the obstacle. There are several challenges. This business will face to target market, marketing, and the operational process. The first is low awareness among teachers about the institute existence. Teachers still don't know the institute exists, so they are not familiar with the program offer. The second is strong competition from exciting trainer providers. This means many other training centers that have already been around for a long time, making it harder to attract participants because teachers already have well-known option. The third is difficulty maintaining engagement in online session. It's hard to keep participants active, focused, and interested during online class. May become bored, passive, or not fully participate. The fourth is limited promotion by budget at the early stage. This means this Teacher Talk Institute has very little money for promotion at the beginning, so it's difficult to run large or extensive market campaigns. Last is policy change affecting program relevance. This means government or education policy change might make some training program less suitable or require them to be updated to stay relevant. The next is the strategy to overcome the obstacle that related um, marketing and the operational process. The first is increasing teacher interest in training. This strategy involves making teacher more interested in participating in training. This can be done through free webinars, introductory session, demonstration materials, or providing mini certificates so teacher can experience the benefit firsthand before purchasing the full program. The second is building brand and trust. This means increasing teacher and school trust in Teacher Talk Institute. This can be done by showcasing portfolios, testimonial, training result, activity documentation, and the institution legality. The third is content-based marketing. This means marketing service using useful educational content, not just promotional content. Example, including teaching tip video, micro-learning material, digital tutorials, and sample modules. The fourth is SOP for training implementation. Create clear work procedure for the entire training process to ensure all the classes run smoothly and consistently. The last is ensuring trainer quality. Ensure all trainers are competent through selection, internal training, and the regular evaluation to maintain high teaching quality. That's all the obstacle and the strategy to overcome the obstacle. I give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Pida, for your great delivery. So the next, for the last, as for the conclusion, will be delivered by Delphiana. So Delphi, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. Next slide, please. So the conclusion is our presentation is Teacher Talk Institute emerges as a visionary response to the evolving needs of 21st century education, particularly in empowering teachers to adapt, innovative, and grow professional in an increasingly digital and globalized world by offering comprehensive and practical training programs regain from digital literacy and public speaking to choosing mentoring and international certificate preparation. The Institute positions itself as both a catalyst and companion in teachers' lifelong learning journey. Thank you, moderator.
Okay, so that was our presentation for our business plan, Teacher Talk Institute. So we apologize if there are any mistakes while we present our presentation. So wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.